Once again, the draw call makes sure that fully loaded flag is of course set before allowing you to draw. From there, we actually loop through each of our canvas tile arrays and test whether or not it's visible with the function that we used before. If it is, we go ahead and call drawImage to the main canvas, passing in the canvas handle for the off-screen canvas. And of course, offsetting the X and Y values of this tile canvas by the view rect position, centering it in the world properly.